None of us are coming over there in y'all lives trying to debate, because we know one thing. That conversation ain't going nowhere. See what I'm saying? We having high vibrational conversation, no low vibrational shit over here. We uplifting each other, speaking love into each other, speaking life into each other. Reminding each other that we are greater than who we think we are. No jealousy. I want to see y'all win. I want to see y'all shine. See what I'm saying? I want to see the religious folks shine. I want you to free yourself. I wish the best for you, but it's very strange how y'all want to try to cast us to hell and be judgmental. Oh, we Satanists and shit. Yeah, boy, y'all Christians is a motherfucker. Yeah, one come following me to post to comment on my fucking video talking about I'm a Satanist and shit. Talking about nigga, they listen to me, I'm leading you to hell. I'm in heaven already. How can a person that's in heaven lead you to hell? Y'all weren't about the wrong fucking thing. That's so miserable. Low vibrational. Peace, God. Much gratitude for your tuning in. Man, it's sad, bruh. It's fucking sad. When they don't even, you know, they not even in unity within their fucking community. That goes to show you how low vibrational that shit is. They not even in unity. It's every man for themselves in religion. Y'all don't even fucking trust each other. Y'all think each other y'all enemies. Tearing people down. Come on, man. You gotta see. You gotta see. I love you still, for you know not who you are. See what I'm saying? We rising beautiful souls. And a minute, y'all come. A minute, motherfucker, put you in your place. See what I'm saying? With love, you get highly upset. That's them demons controlling you. You gotta take your mind back and create your own reality. They finesse you out your vessel. You don't even know that you being controlled.